Do you love Italian supercars like Lamborghini, Ferrari, and Pagani? Are you a foodie at heart? Why not go on a day trip experiencing supercar museums and factories and throw in an authentic Italian lunch too? Join us as we provide you our own review and personal experience of one of MotorStars Italian car factory tour packages. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fracking Creations, a channel where we show you the good stuff. Want more travel or travel packing videos? Hit that like button, the notification button, and subscribe to our channel, Fracking Creations. My husband loves supercars, so we had to try and find a tour of the famous three in Italy. That is Lamborghini, Ferrari, and Pagani. We did a search on Google for Supercar Tours Italy, and after sifting through the results and comparing, we decided on MotorStars Tour. We did see other tours, but here are some of the reasons why we chose MotorStars originally, and through our experience would come to recommend it to you, our viewers. Please note, we are not sponsored by MotorStars to promote them. We had a lovely experience and want to share this review if you intend on experiencing an Italian supercar tour in the future. There are several tour packages to choose from, where you can tailor your experience to which Italian supercar or motorcycle museum or factory to go to. Yes, MotorStars also provides tours to Maserati and Ducati for those motorbike enthusiasts. Our review is based on the tour package called the Black Tour, where our tour included the Ferrari Museum, Lamborghini Museum, Pagani Museum and Factory. For the Lamborghini tour, you can pay extra to get the factory tour if interested. Tour guests can be picked up at certain select hotels in Bologna or Modena, Italy, which is what we chose as we stayed at the AC Marriott Hotel in Bologna. The tour is well planned and organized. While you're being transported from one museum or factory to the next, you get to watch informative videos on each museum you're visiting and even on the city you're staying in, which would be either Modena or for us, Bologna, Italy. Oh yes, you also get cold bottled water during your trip. You get to eat lunch at an authentic Italian restaurant where the locals go to. In our case, it was a 4-course lunch with unlimited beer, wine, and soft drinks. And FYI, the food is amazing. The owner, Francesco Bini, who is also our personal tour guide, really goes out of his way to make sure you have a great experience. Francesco is friendly, passionate, and extremely knowledgeable of the history and technicalities of the supercars, the museums, and factories we visited. After all, this was his life at one point in time, as he was a former factory worker for Ferrari F1, Lamborghini, and Pagani. Just ask him to tell you his story on how he came to work for these prestigious Italian sports car manufacturers. Francesco has been doing these tours for 15 years to date. The tour is all in English. As part of the MotorStars tour, MotorStars patrons get a special discount pricing at the Lamborghini and Ferrari gift shops based on the tour package. The website is super comprehensive. Likelihood is that you can find all the information you need to know on the website. However, if you have any question or more questions, Francesco is easy to get a hold of via email. The tour is intimate as the maximum number of people per tour is 8. For us, we had 6 people on our tour. Francesco makes sure that you're well taken care of.
We are just 2 minutes from the main entrance of the station. Yeah.
The tour is guaranteed to happen once Francesco confirms, and this isn't based on meeting a minimum number of people who register for the same tour. There was another tour that we looked at where they stated on their website that they cannot guarantee the tour as it was based on meeting a minimum number of people going, and we had to prepay the full amount. Wouldn't that suck to find out last minute when you arrive in Italy that the tour you already prepaid for was cancelled? That's why we chose MotorStars. Here's a sneak peek of the Black Tour package. Don't forget to pick up some great souvenirs when you go. Please note that the restaurant or food may differ depending on when you go and which tour package you select. Please note that the restaurant or food may differ depending on when you go and which tour package you select. If you want more information on MotorStars, check our video description below and start planning your next trip to Italy. Thanks for watching, and watch out for future videos on our travels through other cities in Italy, France, and the Netherlands. Ciao!